Ethiopia, we rise as one.
Blue Nile waking at Tana, carrying dawn through stone. See me in peaks like guardians, ancient winds have blown. Lalibela's carved cathedrals breathe prayers in the light. These lines on parchment, gold letters taking flight. Injera shed in circles, salt and grace in hand. Coffee rises from the Jebina, blessing every land. Orthodox bells at sunrise, waxing gold of tone. A people never conquered, standing in their own. Ethiopia, we rise as one. 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 Rift Valley roads at twilight, dust and hopeful feet. Fields remember drought years, still seed and rain will meet. Mothers count remittances, phones light up the night. Diaspora threads returning, keeping futures bright. Songs uploaded from Addis, AU flags unfurled. Languages in harmony, a promise to the world. Market stalls with laughter, shoulders share the load. Faith and work together, courage on the road. Ethiopia, we rise as one. 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 One river, one mountain, one heart, one home. Call and reply, we rise as one. From Tigray, Oromia, Amara, Somali, one. Call and reply, we rise as one. Sidama, Afar, Benishangul, Gambela, one. Call and reply, we rise as one. Harari, Goraji, nations and peoples, one. Call and reply, we rise as one. Ethiopia, 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 we rise as one. Crown answers the dawn, Masenko leans and cries. Cabarro finds a heartbeat, Washington lifts the skies. Strings and piano widen, crowds keep the time. Ethiopia, we rise as one, the chant becomes a sign.